Alright, yo guys, me again. Today we're back with some more Infected, Forza Horizon 3. And I'm in the Ford Ranger T6 Rally Raid truck. And we've got the guy in the Shelby Cobra. And it's a pretty small map. And for starters, I spawned the fucking spot. The guy was right there. Whoa, that guy went flop. Dude, he fucking did the glitch. He did the fucking, wow, good job. You're gonna be so lucky. Is he coming up here? Oh crap, run, everyone run, scatter. Or unless if I, whoa, shit. Unless if I, oh fuck, oh crap, run, oh crap. No, it's after me! Piss off. Wait, I'm gonna put the trick up my sleeve. Oh! Trick on my sleeve begins! Oh shit! No! Respawn please! What? No! Oh, piss! If I got respawned at the last, like... Go. Hey dude, what's up? What's up, Mercedes? Oh! He was the last one!
You got done, mate.
Wow, if I respawned more late, like early, I would have spawned just in time and I would have been still alive.
My name.
Alright, we're back in the next match. It's Infected again, obviously. Timbermill Large, T6 Rally, and we got Taken Bullets in the Volvo 242 Turbo. Starting off as the Infected person. Good luck, mate. You'll do well. Me, on the other hand, I'm going to try and get away from him. Yeah, get away from him. Oh, come! No! Fucking hell! Run! Get up! What the hell? I'm waiting up here. Oh crap! Holy crap, dude! No, why are you leading him to me? Oh god, no! You annoying dick!
You annoying dick!
Here you go, the tactical stuff anyway. Cover a tree. Oh! Get absolutely... No, don't go that way! Dude, he's right fucking there! I know! He's down that way! Oh! Ball sacks! Holy crap! Run! Oh crap! I didn't know it was there! Oh, damn it! Get him! There we go. Got him. C2's done. That's right. I got tagged 3 minutes in 3 minutes 11. I honestly didn't know where that other guy came from. But I don't care. Alright, we're back in the next one. Yep, we're back in the next one. I'm in the new Raptor Horizon Edition from this Forza Fun, which the guy will be up on my channel tomorrow, as of the day I'm recording this. We got DJ Demonic, as a person Infected, and I'm just gonna get the fuck away. Oh shit, there he is! Oh. Okay, looks like he's after that guy. So let's go and take a distance from that. We're going away. So if you guys obviously want to know how you obtain this car, it's pretty simple. You have to go through the Forza Form and do all the activities and you get it. But on the day I'm going to be recording this, or the day that I'm going to upload the video, I probably won't. The Forza Form won't be over. So just letting you guys know. So if I get the guide uploaded tomorrow, and for any instance the Forza Form's over, the only way that you obtain this car is by, or trying to say, is by the auction house. Okay, I can see the guys right there, and looks like I'm the only one. Really? You serious? These people are dumb. Alright, let me show you how you can dodge people like a boss. Okay, ready? See Mini Cooper? There you go. Right, see this guy? Got him. Whoa! This is so intense right now. Turn. Whoa! Come on, bitch! Oh god, he's on me. He's on me! Oh god, fuck! No! He came on the other side, but that was so fucking good though. We're up to the last match for the episode. The small map. Bullshit. And I'm waiting. Okay, nice. King's Creature 30 is stunning unaffected in the WRX. And it's a pretty fucking dang small map. Which I kept telling fucking Forza, please do not be a small map. But Forza just didn't listen. Oh, look at him. Oh, Green getting a fucking killed. Let's see which side is going on. Wrecked. Off-road motocross! Off-road motocross! Let's go. Wow, let's see ya. Okay, yeah, they're coming. Dude. I think that's DJ Sunny or whatever his name is. Dick Poo. Oh, Dicky Poo! Logs, get out the fucking way! Go! Move! Cockabolics! Oh my god! Go! Oh shit! No! Damn it! Oh, GG. GG. Good job. And there he goes, he's down. He's down. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, smash the like button. What the hell? Jesus fucking Christ, I don't know what happened there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys did, smash the like button. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. And as always, I shall see you guys in the next one.